Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am a masked specialist in finding new ways to save money. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get Netflix for free. This is using a promo code that you can redeem on the Netflix website, and it's going to credit your account a 12-month free subscription for Netflix. And it is really easy, guys. So there's no reason why you should be paying for Netflix anymore. I've used this method over the past few years, and it saves you a bunch of money. So let me run through these steps. I'm going to head over to my desk in a second and show you guys how you can go about getting your free Netflix subscription. So yeah, enjoy, make sure you pay attention, and let's get you that free Netflix. So before I start the tutorial, let me first show you the page where you need to enter this Netflix promo code that I'm going to show you how to get. So if you just search in Google, once you get your code, enter Netflix promo code, you should find a page that says redeem your gift, and that is where you enter the code. So let me show you guys where you have to go to get your Netflix free Netflix promo code. And you need to basically use your mobile phone, open up the internet, and you need to go to this website, guys, so make sure you pay attention. www.topdogcodes.com. So make sure you spell it exactly like this, because you need to go to Top Dog Codes. Now, hit the search bar at the top and search what you're looking for. In this case, Netflix, and it should prop up Netflix plan codes. Open that up, and you can see here we have a couple of options to choose between. There is a free 12-month Netflix standard plan, and then there's also a free 12-month Netflix premium plan. Now, you basically click on show coupon, and it's going to bring up this page where we need to unlock the full code. Now, when we unlock the code, that is where we enter it, where I showed you there, and that's going to credit your Netflix account a 12-month premium plan. So we need to unlock this full code. The reason we need to do this is basically these codes are obviously worth money, so they're protected to stop people from basically creating bots to steal all of the codes. So tap unlock code. Now, this next step takes a few minutes, but it's crucial because this is what's going to allow us to get the full code. You can see we're going to see this screen, and it is completely normal to see this page. Basically, we need to follow the instructions on the screen to unlock your full Netflix code. You can see we need to complete 2 of the free tasks below. And once we complete 2 of them, it's going to reveal our code, which we can then go ahead and get a free Netflix subscription. So you can see we have a list of tasks, and we need to choose 2 and complete them. And you can see these range from basically answering a few questions and completing surveys, or you can download and play free games. Depending on your country, you're going to get different tasks to what I got here, but they're always going to be completely free, and they do only take a few minutes to complete. So this Family Island one, it says below it, download, then complete level 8. So this is a free game where I just need to basically click on that, open it up, download it from the App Store. You can see I've already actually done this. So let me just show you an example, but it's going to take you to the game where you need to play the game in this scenario and get to level 8. So let me just complete 2 tasks, and then I'll come back and let's see if it gives me my Netflix code. Okay, guys, so I just went ahead and completed those 2 tasks. So I did that Family Island where I just had to download the game and play it until level 8. And then I went ahead, let's go back. Then I went ahead and I completed this survey here where I just had to answer some questions and input my valid email address. And that should have confirmed me as a real person if I've done everything correctly. Now, you probably just saw then when you hit your tabs, you're going to see this tab down here that says Netflix coupon codes. Open that up, and boom, now it's given me my Netflix premium plan free subscription code I can then copy this or write it down on a piece of paper and then enter it into that field I showed you and there. And it's going to basically upgrade your account to a 12-month Netflix premium. If you don't have an account, you simply create one and do what I did then, and it's going to redeem the premium plan for you. These codes can only be used once. I'm going to be using this in a few minutes. So you need to get your own guys from Go to get your own and go to topdogcodes.com. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you could like the button, like the video, press the like button, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.